no you don't. Oh no you don't. It's been sitting here for about an hour, and I call it just it's probably about maybe about 7:30 when I got here, 8 o'clock, and been having a rough season. They just have not been coming in. Well, the hens been with the gobblers. Been really warm. Been kind of a weird season. Come to my setup over here. He just popped up over that hill. It's coming right to him like he's on a string. This is I believe my 7th day of hunting. My brother and I had been out a couple times, and he said he'd seen one up in here, and we'd seen it once. But he said he'd seen it later in the day, and he says, "Get my butt down here and see if you can't get him." Well, I appreciate y'all tuning in a little bit here to watch a little bit more of my hunting. Been turkey hunting now. This is my 7th day, and it's been a really warm spring, and the hens have been with the gobblers, and I've had them just about every morning. Had them gobble them. They just fly off the roost and walk away with the hens. But this one, we had seen this. My brother and I had seen this one, and he had seen it later in the day, so he had to work, unfortunately. But I went back down at about 7:30 this morning. Try something a little bit different instead of getting there when it's still dark and trying to call them off the roost. Just thought I'd sit there and call. And a good buddy of mine loaned me a tape, and Chet Thomas years ago. He's a heck of a turkey hunter. He's the one who taught me everything I know about turkey hunting. But it's Leroy Brownhart, I believe is his name. There's a record I borrowed from Chet about probably, over 30 years ago. And he was one of the first ones to hunt turkeys with a bow and arrow. And he said you gotta have a lot of patience to be a good turkey hunter. He said he's sitting in his blind for up to 4 or 5 hours or more. He said when things aren't going right for you, he said every 5 minutes by the watch, a loss call, and just be patient. And this thing just popped out over that hill to my left, where we had seen it in the area, just right over the top. Got some great video. I hope it comes out right. But pretty nice gobbler here. Nice beard on him. Yeah, looked like about barely inch spurs. Pretty nice bird. Come right up to my gobbler, to my decoy. Just strutted around it. Wanted to give it a little bit more time, but you just never know. So a turkey in the hands is better than a little bit more extra video. It's been a rough season, but I appreciate you tuning in, taking a look at this. And I wish you really good luck in all your hunting adventures, turkeys, coyotes, whatever you like to do. God bless. Thank you so much for watching.